So along with the first app project that we're going to be creating, we're also going to be creating an example app. And this app is just going to have the different ways of using the most common UI controls. So I've put this on the Git repository. I'll show you how you use it. So what we do is we go to our directory that holds all of our projects. So for me, it's cd app mobile. And then what I'm going to do is do a git clone, and then it's https and then github.com/jfbomber/tiexample.git, and we'll do example as the repository name. So this is copying the project into a new project, and so then all we have to do is import it in our Project Explorer. So as soon as it gets to 100%, it's not that big of a file, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, it's done. And so what we'll do is now open up example. So here's all the files that it just brought in, and so now we can import it. So then we go to write import existing folder as new project, and then we select that project that we just brought in. We called it example, and then click finish. And so here's the example files that we're going to be using. The only thing you will need to grab this for is to grab this image. It's a map of Yosemite I've used in one of my other apps. And so we're going to be using that in the scroll view, and that's it. And the next thing, let's just go over, the next thing we'll do is we'll go over the app.js, because that's the only file that is really difficult. And then the rest of it is just kind of learning how to use the UI controls. So we'll stop here and either download the app or set up a new app and build it along with me.